Hello! Yay! So you're here to channel your inner diva? I'm going to show you how to get you from this to this. So first of all, get yourself some chocolate and treat yourself, because nobody can stand a hangry little bitch or a whiny little miserable thing. So be happy and eat chocolate. So the next step is to cover up your flaws and blemishes, imperfections, pimples, dark circles, personality, the fact that you can't hate everybody because life is too short for that. Yeah, get yourself some cover up. Did anyone ever say to you that you are a cold-hearted Queen Elsa? At least you're a queen, but you can cover up your cold-heartedness with some blush, warming up your complexion, hiding the fact that you are just dead inside. So now that we ate 20 pounds of chocolate to fill the void in our hearts, covered up our inner and outer ugliness, here's where the transformation really starts. Now we are going to be goddesses of the glowiness. Just glow yourself up with some highlighter. Don't be afraid to put too much on, because there's no such thing as too much highlight. So now that we ate 20 pounds of chocolate to fill the voids in our heart, warmed the cold-heartedness away, covered the fact of our imperfections, and glowed ourselves to the Olymp, we are ready to channel our inner diva, get ourselves out there and just have some fun.